I just had to create this little quick video, you guys, because it's Sunday morning and I'm making some bison chili. The chili is from my friend. The meat is from my friend who goes out and hunts. He has a bow and arrow, and he brings back, sometimes he brings back elk, venison, bison, Texas longhorn. So right now I have some bison and some elk in there, and so I was gonna make some chili with the bison. So like I made the last chili, it's still very similar, pretty much the same recipe, and I'll post it on there, but I'm gonna make it right now with the bison, right? So this time though, I have 2 pounds of the bison hamburger. So this recipe right here, I did I basically took some bacon again. I took 3 pieces of bacon, I cut it up, 3 pieces of bacon, and then I took 4 pieces of garlic, from a clove, 4 pieces, cut that up, chop that up, a half an onion, right? Put that all in there. The bacon should be greasy enough to help to basically saute, help cook up a little bit of the vegetables. I also took 2 bell peppers, chopped them up, put those in there, right? So now all that right there is sauteing, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bison, right? I'm going to throw that in there, and then what am I going to do? Oh, then after the bison, I'll let that cook. Once that gets cooked, I'm going to put a little bit of water in there just to make sure that the stuff doesn't stick. But then I'm going to, after the bison's cooked and everything's cooked in there, then I'm going to take the crushed tomatoes. Basically, I have a can of crushed tomatoes. Here, let me show you. Let me bring you over here so you guys can see. Okay. So, yeah. So here's what's basically in it. Okay. Yeah. So for the first one, crushed tomatoes, right? And this is all I go to natural grocers, but like I said, you can get these anywhere, right? But they're organic. It's like I said, I'm always going to promote organic because I've been having an organic lifestyle since 2012. So, and I know you guys can do it too. So, and it's really beneficial because I have improved my health, and I've been able to shed off the weight now with my other learning how to basically move my food schedule around a little bit and eliminate a couple things to my program. So the chili beans, right? I got 2 cans of these, right? I just showed you the first one. And then the other one, I got 1 can of kidney beans. Okay, I like kidney beans. Okay, you can actually get a can of corn and put it in there, but I forgot to do that this time. I like corn. Doesn't matter though. It's not important. Garlic salt. Okay, put plenty of that in there. Basil. Black pepper. Parsley. Okay, and then some sea salt, right? And then also I use this vegetarian chili mix just to add some more flavor, right? You could probably add this stuff yourself, right? Make your own. And then besides the chili, okay, I'm not gonna go over the recipe anymore. I just wanted you guys to kind of know. I'll post it on there. This is a healthy way. The reason why it's healthy, and that's why I'm sharing this message mainly, is because first of all, the hamburger from the bison is 15% fat, so you got some fat in there. You got some fat from the bacon, okay? I'm gonna put some fat from the avocado for me. I'm gonna eat avocado with it, right? So that's good. You're getting some of that. But then also, you have the beans. You have the vegetables for the fiber too and stuff. And let's see here, what else? The garlic, the garlic's onions are really good for you and stuff. So pretty much the chili, it's not that bad for you, I mean, if you're a meat eater, it's probably pretty good for you. So I do have a salad with it. This is straight from my garden in the backyard. I have lettuce. All those tomatoes are from my garden right here. Oh my God, it's so awesome, you guys, with the harvest, at the end of the year. And I have garden videos on my channel too. You guys can go find. I have a whole section of gardening in my backyard. The lettuce here, and then the lettuce is beautiful. This is all from my backyard. I did buy some radishes because radishes grow really quick and they grow really fast. So I had to add some radishes. I'm going to add a quarter of an apple in there. I'm going to add, and then I'm going to take the jalapeno. Okay, I didn't want to put that in the chili because other people might not be able to handle the spice that are who are going to eat the chili. But I'm going to cut up some pieces. I'm going to eat some raw jalapenos with my chili, and then I'm going to have an avocado, like I said, with the chili too. Okay, you can add some sour cream. You know, you can add some cheese and all that. I don't have any of that stuff, and the reason why I don't have it is because sour cream will go bad here because I don't eat enough of it, and then the cheese, I'll eat it all, and then I won't have any left, and so that's not good because I can't be eating cheese. That stuff starts sticking to me, right? So I'm gonna post my video next week, you guys. You're gonna see why I created this channel. I'm gonna show you my introduction. I'm gonna show you my story. Yeah, it'll be fun. I'll show you guys some great information. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do this, how you can make your own food, and you can do it healthy. You can make bulk, you know, and then you can actually learn to eat the right proper times, you know, and then you can eat the proper foods, and you can even add some of your stuff that you love, you know. So yeah, that's it. And then the other thing, last thing though on here, real quick. Let me turn it over here. See right here. I usually don't eat very many potatoes, but since I really feel good, I feel like I've really gotten in good shape, so I feel like I can actually eat potatoes now, like a little bit, you know, because they're carbs, right? So potatoes will stick to you fast, right? Try to eliminate a lot of them sugars, right? So I'm going to have some potatoes. I won't have that many, maybe a handful. No, probably less than that, right? But I'm going to have some of that, maybe a little ketchup, which has some sugar in it, right? But the thing is that my apple, this is a quarter of an apple, that's going to go in there. And then I have the tomatoes, right? So those are pretty much mainly the carbs I have here. So I should be okay as far as not overdoing the sugars, right? But if you guys eat, like I said before, if you guys eat the chili and then the potatoes, right? And then say like you have an apple and then maybe you have bread with it too. Now you're really pushing that sugar up because bread, apple, potatoes, the tomatoes, you know, all that stuff right there basically will turn into sugar. Right. Actually, this is the final product after I cooked the chili and the potatoes. So here are the potatoes, and then here's the chili. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and eat some of it now. Have a great day.